Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I have some project shares to share with you for scrapdivadesigns.com. She has a new release. It will be available December the 5th, which is tomorrow. Today is December the 4th that I'm recording this. So hopefully I can get this video out to you guys today and you guys can snatch these dies as soon as midnight hits, okay? So use code Poochie10 to save 10% off your entire purchase. And again, you can get these on scrapdivadesigns.com. This is her new December release. I was able to play with a lot of the dies, guys. She has, I believe, 19 new dies available and one stamp set, if I'm not mistaken. And I played with everything except for maybe 5 of these die sets. So stay tuned for more projects. But in this video, I just wanted to share with you all what some of these look like cut out. Some of them I put on projects and some of them they're just cut out just so you guys can see what they look like, all right? So let's get started. Don't forget, December the 5th, right at midnight, a lot of this stuff is going to sell out very quickly. If it does sell out on you, don't worry. Make sure you guys sign up for notifications because she's really good at restocking. And don't forget to use my code Poochie10 to save 10% off your entire purchase, okay, guys? I will have these dies listed down below in the description box as soon as they're available. And I will also link down below my playlist in case you guys are looking for any inspiration with Scrap Diva Design dies, okay? So let's get started. Now, you're going to hear the word must have a lot in this video because this release is so cute. I really enjoy playing with a lot of these dies. So this is the large poinsettia must have. You get 2 different sizes. And some of these die sets, guys, they're this pretty green metallic finish. And some of them are pink, okay? So here's the smaller version. And I don't know if you can see the embossing. You can really see the embossing when you use solid cardstock. I did a little bit of inking on this one. I used a bead cap and I put a cute little glittered gem in the middle from Rosie Studio. And then you get this larger size so you guys can see the size difference. Now I just layered 2 of these together, but you can definitely stack them with a little bit of foam in the middle and you'll have a really pretty, nice and layered flower. You can mix the 2 sizes to get different looks and effects. So guys, this die set is a must-have in my book. Very beautiful. And this one I just used some centers that I had in my stash. So I love this die set. You're gonna see a lot of it on these projects. And I cut more to put on even more projects, okay? So the next die set is this one here. Now, when I first got this one, I knew there were some sentiments behind here, but I was not expecting so many, you guys. You get 11 sentiments in this set. This is her ChristmasWords 2024. And these are beautiful, you guys. They're a great size. Some of them are really long, some of them are shorter, and I love that. Let me share with you what they look like. I did use 2 of them on a project, but the rest I left to show you guys. So I use white glitter cardstock and solid pink, and I kind of just switched. Some I use in the background, some I use on the letters. So here's Merry and Bright. Candy Cane Wishes. Oh, what fun. So as you can see, like this one's a lot shorter than the other. I love the different sizes. Naughty or Nice. You see how this one's stacked? I love that. Holiday Magic. Santa Baby. I love this one. You know Santa Baby is one of my favorite collections. Mistletoe Kisses. December 25th. And then Santa's Helper. And then there's 2 more that I'm going to share with you on the next project. Which brings me to this next die set here. This is the wine bottle label. And just exactly what it says, guys. You're going to be able to decorate and make some cute little wine bottles for gifts and stuff like that. You can also put this on a soap bottle if it's long enough. It comes with this stitched piece. This piece that goes behind it, that it has these cute little scallops. And then you get 2 sentiments. Thank you. Thanking you. So let me share those with you guys. I just made 2 simple ones for you all. And here goes the other 2 words, Dear Santa and Ho Ho Ho. Look at how cute these are, guys. If you're into gift giving, you want to snatch this one. I was thinking that if you just cut a slice here, if you cut this off, cut this completely so that it can open, you can use this as a door tag hanger. You can put keep out of my craft room, you know, whatever you want to put there. This would be a cute gift to give to a teacher, or really anything. I think this will fit nicely on a doorknob. As long as you cut that slit, I think you'll be able to do that. So I use the poinsettia, and then look at the cute little scallops, how it looks layered. So again, I did two really simple ones. So next we have the Enjoy. I just dropped the project, hold on. So the next one is the Enjoy, and this is gonna be perfect for gift giving, happy mail. You can stick this on anything. If you want to do like a card, and you can put Enjoy on there, whatever you like. This is how they look, really cute little font and the perfect little size. So that's the Enjoy die set. Next we have this one here. This is so cute, you guys. This one is called the Utensils tabs, and you get a ton of little tabs on here. Let me show you guys what they look like. I just cut them out, and I have to do a project to go with them, but look at how cute. And you can stick it onto anything. You can do it this way, or you can do it this way. And it is adorable. So look at all the cute little utensils. I just used white and pink cardstock. The fork, the spatula. So cute, guys. The little pin, rolling pin, so cute. So you get all of these, really cute die set. I have to embellish these a little bit more and create a project, but these are gonna be really cute little tabs to add on, especially if you love baking themes. This is perfect for Christmas. All right, let's get all those on there, really cute. The next die set is this one here, guys. She is so adorable. This is Baking Mrs. Claus. Oh, I spelled her name wrong. I gotta edit that. Baking Mrs. Claus, so cute. I actually have a video that I will link down below on how to paper pieces, because there's a lot of little pieces on there. Look at how cute she is, you guys. So make sure you guys check out my video. You can see how I paper piece these together and my process on creating these. Look at her little earrings. I'm obsessed. She's so cute, guys. You gotta snatch this one. So I just created two. They're ready for projects. Next is this one. I was so excited to play with this one, guys. It is the baking tray. This is the cutest little die set ever. You get the tray, you get the rim to layer, and then you also get 6 little gingerbreads. 6 little gingies, and this is what I created. I just made a cute little embellishment. I added a little bell and a little beaded ornament. If you guys want to see how to make these out of beads, check out my beaded playlist, and I have a tutorial. But look at how cute these little gingies are. I went ahead and I made little faces on them. I did some foam. And this is one of her banner dies that I'm going to be sharing with you all. It is so cute, you guys. So this one is ready to go on a project as well. Next, we have this one here. I use this on a few projects already. It is the double stitch arch set, and you get a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different arches. Really great essential die, guys. Nested dies are always essential. Okay, I'm gonna share with you what I created with that one in a minute. Let me just keep on going. Now let's go ahead and share, I guess. So I created a tag flip with the arches. I made this really beautiful dangle. I put a bow here with tulle, and this is the smaller of the size. Each one I just did a different something else on it, and we'll go over those. Here goes those flowers. Look at how pretty, guys. Bag topper. And then this is the next die I'm gonna share with you, which is the banners. So cute, guys. I have a tutorial on this as well. I will link that down below for you all as well. So the next one is this one, which is the banner set 1. You get a ton in here, you guys. I want to say you get 3, 6, 9. I want to say at least 9, but there's a lot on there. So I have a tutorial on how to create these. Really simple. Just put some beads and stamp. So as you can see, some of them are wider and some of them are a little more thinner. I love that variation. And look at how simple. You can just stamp on there, you guys. So since it says banner set 1, I'm pretty sure she's gonna come out with another one. And I cannot wait to see what she comes up with. So again, here are the other banners. I put it on this flip. So you can use these banners to decorate anything. And then I wanted to make a full page with them ready to go, and you can plop onto your projects. So each of them have some little beads. I put a chain on this one. I want to put some little seed beads on here, but I just wanted to share with you all how they look. I love it. Okay, the next die set is this one here. This is her double snowflake bow set. And I created a bunch, guys. You're gonna get 2 different sizes and 2 layers to go on each. So here's the bigger. And then here is the smaller. I haven't put any sensors on these. I just did tulle and then layered them up. And they're gorgeous, you guys. So here's the bigger. And here's the smaller. So this one I didn't put any tulle on. And then I did this one with all the same paper to make them all white. I still have to put centers. And then this one, I put some beads. Cute little dangle on there. Wow. You like it? Yeah. And it's also, I put one on my tag flip on the very first tag. So pretty, you guys. I'm telling you, there's so many good ones on this release. It's insane. Okay. Stop, baby. Okay, let me move these out the way. I'm trying to get through this video. The next die set are these 2. I have a video on how to put this together. So this one is the Gnome Stamp and Die Set. Yes. You get all these different sentiments, and then you also get this stitched heart, which is going to be perfect for Valentine's Day as well. So I have a video on how to stamp these and all that good stuff. But here's one that I try to do like an ombre type of look and mix the colors. And then this is the Gnome Die Set. It's the Christmas gnome. And I share with you in the video all the pieces that come with it. You also get this really cute snowflake. Let me get the snowflake. I cut some out for you guys. Oh. Look at how pretty this snowflake is, you guys.
Wow, I like it.
You like it?
Yeah, I like it.
So cute, you guys. So I cut a bunch of those. And let me share with you how those came out. So I did say in that video, I'll have a link down below, that I wanted to create a banner with them. This is how they came out. Look at how pretty.
Wow, I like it, Mom.
Thank you, baby. Yeah, I did some stenciling with some stars here. And then I just filled it in with some stars that I drew. But I created 3, guys, and I want to create a banner with this. And I want to share with you all how it would look. So I cut these bows, which is the bow back topper. I'm going to show that to you in a second. And I need to figure out what string I want to use. So here goes the other bows. I want it to be a bow, a gnome, and then another bow, a gnome, and so on and so forth. So I want to create this really pretty banner. So guys, let me know down below what I should put in the center. I'm thinking I should do like a heart, since they each have a heart. So this little banner will be cute for not only Christmas, but also Valentine's Day. I think it's going to be a great die set for Valentine's Day. Okay, so this is the next die, which is the bag topper, bow bag topper number 2, small. So I only cut out the small one, you guys. And as you can see from the banner, you can just do the bow alone, which is a beautiful bow. And then here it is as a topper. I did have it on my tag flip. I didn't really decorate it much. I just did like a little bit of embellishment there and stuck it on a tag. So this is cute, guys. And then I just stuck it on right here as the back topper. So the recipient can gift it or use it or whatnot. You would glue 2 of these together. I just want to show you guys what it looked like. And I actually put one on a tag where you can flip it up and it can reveal a message or something. So I thought that was really cute. So she not only has the small, but she has the large. I haven't cut it yet. Guys, you know Ava, she has to make her little debut in my videos. So bear with me. This is the large. So you guys can see in size comparison. The small and the large. You got to get both. Come over there, baby. I'm almost done. Okay, the last die set. We might as well let Ava stay, guys, and watch. This is the last one that I played with. And it is the gingerbread mug. Now, I do have 4 or 5 more dies to play with. Look at how cute this gingerbread is.
You want to put it.
It's so pretty. She's so cute, guys. I usually like to draw my own eyes, but I did use... Thank you, baby. I did use the eyes that come with the die set. So it comes with all these cute little pieces for you to adorn your gingerbread. It is a little mug. It comes with other pieces so you can create a mini album. I just went ahead and I put one of the snowflake bows. And it is so cute. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed my little projects, my little examples that I prepared for you all. Stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so you can see some more inspiration coming. I have some more dice to play with, and I can't wait to create projects with them. Make sure you guys snatch that release. Let me know what your favorites are. Let me know how you enjoyed my projects. Use code Poochie10 to save 10% off your purchase, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye.